Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So one of the things that we get asked a lot is about gas shocks and gas props. So let's say it's on your compartment door, your entry door, and you're wondering, hey, it's time for me to go ahead and replace that. What information do I need to supply a dealership or a repair shop, or how do I go online and look on it? So this particular product is made by RV Designer. We carry this brand in stock. It's one of the most easiest ones to identify. They have a fit chart online, so if you want to visit their website, we will list the products in the comments below. But so let's get into it. So here's your typical gas prop, and let's say you need to know what it is, right? So basically, you're going to take a tape measure, and on the eye loops of it, so each end of this happens to have a pin where it would pop in place. There's actually a clip that releases that you can pull on with a small screwdriver or a pair of needle nose pliers to release it. So when you go to install it, you just simply push it to pop it in place on both ends. But how do I identify which one I need? Well, they make it real easy at RV Designer. You're basically going to measure it from eye to eye. So like on this particular example, the eye to eye center hole to center hole measurement is 21 inches. So it's basically almost the overall length of it. Then after you've identified the length of it, usually on the props itself, there's going to be some kind of identification sticker, hopefully, or there could be a marking or an ink on the actual tube itself, depending upon the brand. So in this case, it tells you what the prop weight is, as well as the gas prop itself, the length. So check on those, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and let us know. Thanks so much for watching.